Is it on yet? I think so. Sorry, jeez. Hey guys. Me again with new LPS. Yeah. So we got the new girls. Come on, new girls. Hi. I'm more beautiful than your original mascot. But anyways, come on, girlfriend. Hi, it's me. I'm the new LPS, and I am beautiful more than your mascot and all the other people here. Anyways, yeah. Bye. Sorry about that, guys. They're kind of much. And Jake is not here. Says hi. So, we can show you the new accessories. Bring it in. Oh, jeez. This is a new accessory. It's delicious. Looking good, right? Nice camera, jeez. Delicious cake. Yep. Everybody loves it. Gotta take that out. Let me go get the next accessory. Dang, dropped it. Sorry. This is supposed to be a bandana, but it didn't really work out. So yeah, it's not really usable, but it is too usable. Now what's that? Ugh. Anyways, get that ugly thing out of here. Anyways, we are going on to the next accessory. Get it. It's right there. Get it from your face. It's this. That's the new accessory, guys. Yes, new accessory coming through. Just take a second to look at it. If I can get it in the right spot. Sorry, guys. There we go. That's the new accessory. Just take a second to look at the coat can. Yeah, okay, we're gonna take that out. Okay, this is also a new accessory. I think y'all all guys will understand. It's a iPad. And it's an Apple iPad. Anyways, bye. We're not done. So like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when our new posts. Anyways, now, bye.